Art, in its most primitive form, was a means of communication. Prehistoric cave paintings, carvings on stone, and jewelry made from bones and shells were the earliest forms of art. These were not mere aesthetic pursuits, but served a practical purpose, providing a narrative of the lives and experiences of our ancestors. As civilizations evolved, so did art. The Egyptians used it to document their history, while the Greeks and Romans used it to depict their gods, heroes, and daily life. Art became a reflection of society, a mirror held up to the world. The Middle Ages saw art being used predominantly for religious purposes. The Renaissance brought a shift, focusing on humanism and realism. Artists like Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo broke away from the traditional norms and explored new techniques and perspectives. Fast forward to the 19th century and we see the advent of modern art. Impressionism, Cubism, Surrealism, Abstract Expressionism, each movement was a rebellion against the past, an exploration of new ideas, and a commentary on the rapidly changing world. The digital age has ushered in a new era for art. Digital art, installations, performance art, and even virtual reality art have blurred the lines between the physical and digital worlds, the real and the imagined. So what have we learned? Art is not a static concept confined to a canvas or a sculpture. It is a dynamic, ever-evolving entity. It is a reflection of the times we live in, a mirror to our society. It is an expression of our deepest emotions, our hopes and our fears. It is a means of communication, a universal language that transcends borders and cultures. Art has been a part of our journey since the dawn of civilization. It has evolved with us, shaped by our experiences, our triumphs and our struggles. It is a testament to our creativity, our imagination, and our capacity to dream. In conclusion, art is not just a thing, it is a feeling, a thought, an expression. It is a conversation between the artist and the viewer, a dialogue that can provoke, inspire, and enlighten. It is a journey, not a destination. So the next time you find yourself in front of a piece of art, remember, it's not just about what you see, but what you feel. That, dear listener, is the magic of art.